Ever wondered about the vibrant and diverse culture that thrives in the tropical paradise known as Bali? Today, we embark on a captivating journey through time, exploring the cultural tapestry of this Indonesian island, from its early beginnings to its contemporary flair. Bali's culture, like the island itself, is a unique blend of influences, beginning with its pre-Hindu roots. The island's first inhabitants, the Bali Aga, arrived around 2,000 years ago, bringing with them a rich tradition of animistic beliefs that still echoes in the island's customs today. The arrival of Hindu traders in the 1st century AD marked a significant turning point in Bali's cultural journey. The traders brought with them not just goods but also the Hindu religion, which has since become the island's predominant faith. This period saw the construction of some of Bali's most iconic temples, like the stunning Tanah Lot, perched on a rocky outcrop in the sea, and the serene Uluwatu, which sits high atop a cliff overlooking the Indian Ocean. The Majapahit Empire's arrival in the 13th century marked another significant cultural shift. The Javanese influence was strong, imbuing Balinese culture with a new layer of complexity, evident in the island's art, dance, and music. The Dutch colonized Bali in the 19th century, introducing Western elements to the island's culture. Despite the colonial influence, the Balinese held steadfast to their traditions, ensuring the survival of their unique cultural identity. Fast forward to the present day, Bali stands as a testament to cultural resilience and diversity. Modern influences have been woven seamlessly into the island's cultural fabric, creating a vibrant blend of old and new. Contemporary art galleries stand alongside ancient temples. Traditional markets thrive in the shadow of chic boutiques, and sacred rituals coexist with modern festivals. From the ancient animistic traditions of the Bali Aga, through the arrival of Hinduism and the Majapahit Empire, to the resilience during Dutch colonization and the incorporation of contemporary elements, Bali's culture is a rich tapestry of influences. It's a culture that respects and retains its historical roots while embracing change and innovation. In summary, Bali's culture is a fascinating journey through time, a blend of ancient traditions and modern influences, a testament to the island's resilience and adaptability. It's a culture that captivates and enchants, inviting us all to explore and appreciate its depth and diversity. So next time you find yourself wandering through the streets of Ubud, lounging on the beaches of Seminyak, or exploring the ancient temples of Bali, remember, you're not just in a tropical paradise. You're in a living, breathing cultural tapestry, a vibrant blend of the old and the new, the traditional and the contemporary. You're in Bali, an island with a culture as rich and diverse as its stunning landscapes.